Hello, my cookies. Today we are going to be making this incredible pasta with onions, bell peppers, and sausage in this white wine reduction cream sauce. It's amazing, so let's cook it. Starting with the sausage, I don't eat pork anymore, so I'm using these delicious chicken and green onion sausage that my local meat market makes fresh. If you can't find any of this, and if you like Italian sausage, they will work perfectly, so just use your favorite. At the stove, I'm bringing some water to a boil. We have to cook these sausages, so once the water starts to simmer, add in the sausage. If you're using Italian sausage, same step, we have to cook it. But if you're using smoked sausage, skip this step. We want to add enough water to cover half of the sausage, and then we're going to turn it down to a simmer, cover it with a lid, and allow it to steam in that water for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, go ahead and flip them over and then cover them back up with that lid and let them go for another 10 minutes. When that 10 minutes is up, remove them from the pan and drain off that water. Now pat the skillet dry and then pour in some olive oil and allow it to heat up. Once it heats, add in the sausages back into that skillet, and we're going to make sure that we brown them on all sides. Then, once they're brown, remove them. Here are my veggies. I have some beautiful green, yellow, and red bell peppers sliced. I'm going to add them into that same skillet and start to saute them. Sprinkling a little bit of salt on top so that it will release the moisture in these bell peppers and help them soften a lot faster. After about 3 or 4 minutes of sauteing the peppers, I'm going to add the onions and give them a stir around until they start to brown a bit. Slice the sausage, and now I'm going to add them back into the pan, and we're going to allow them to brown a little bit on the sides and really add that flavor to this sauce like that. Now we're going to deglaze with some white wine. I'm using Chardonnay because that's what I've been getting drunk. I've been drinking. But yeah, use whatever kind you like, boo. And to that, I'm going to add some minced garlic, swirl it around a little bit. Now add in some cold, make sure it's cold, butter. And it's going to melt and emulsify in that wine and garlic. It's going to make this really delicious, buttery, winey, garlicky sauce, and it's amazing. At this point, I added in some chicken broth. Don't know where that footage went, I'm sorry. But there it is in there, and simmer it until it reduces, about 5 minutes. Now pour in the heavy cream. Add some cracked black pepper, Cajun seasoning, and some onion and garlic powders. Stir it all together, and once it's thickened, it's ready to serve. Now I'm going to just pour it over some warm linguine. If you want to cut your carbs, serve it over spaghetti squash. It is amazing. And guys, that is it. The recipe link will be down there in the description box. Feel free to sprinkle on some Parmesan cheese if you like. It's completely optional. Thank you guys so very much for watching. Until next time, be blessed.